Wise or Payoneer? Two major players in the world of global payments. But which one really delivers? On the left, Wise, known for fast, transparent international payments. And on the right, Payoneer, a global favorite for freelancers and businesses. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's the roadmap. We're going to look at exchange rate, fees, transfer speed, currencies supported, business tools, and security. Kind of everything you'd care about before trusting someone with your cash, right? Let's kick things off with exchange rate. Wise is kind of famous in this department because they use real mid-market rates. That's the actual rate you see on Google. No sneaky markup added. You literally get what the market says your money's worth. Super transparent, super cool. Now, Payoneer supports a wild amount of currencies, which is impressive, but yeah, there's a markup on their exchange rates. It can be a little hidden and, adds up if you're moving a lot of money. So between the two, Wise definitely takes this round here. Next up, fees. Wise keeps it simple. Low, transparent fees, and nothing weird hiding in the fine print. No drama. With Payoneer, I gotta admit, it gets a little more complicated. Especially if you're using their stuff with big marketplaces, the fees kinda jump around. And, did I mention inactivity fees? So yeah, Wise feels less stressful for straightforward pricing. They snag the win here. Let's talk speed. Transfer speed. Wise, transfers are often done in less than 24 hours. Like, freaky fast sometimes. Payoneer usually takes about 1 to 5 business days. It's decent and super reliable if you're handling lots of payments, but it won't win any speed races against Wise. Speed demons, you want Wise. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know both services let you hold multiple currencies in your account? It's super handy if you're hopping countries or doing the digital nomad thing. But, and this is kind of important, they each target different types of users. So keep that in mind before you jump in. Onto currencies supported. Wise gives you access to 50+ currencies, which is great for most people, but honestly, Payoneer blows this out of the water with support for over 150 currencies. Seriously, if you get paid in some niche currency, Payoneer probably has your back. There's just a little catch. If you're a smaller user, you might not get every single option. But still, Payoneer is king here. Now, Business Tools Wise has some sweet integrations. Xero, QuickBooks, the stuff small businesses or solo folks really care about. But man, Payoneer goes big with full-on invoicing, bulk payments, and connects directly to tons of online marketplaces. It's like the Swiss Army knife for freelancers scaling up. It can get a little complicated if you're not a marketplace user, I'll be honest. But the options? Super tempting. Payoneer takes the win in this category. Last but not least, security. If you're sweating about security, honestly, both companies are aces. Wise is regulated by all the major authorities, and Payoneer's got big global compliance, so neither one drops the ball here. You can sleep easy. They both lock things down tight. It's a tie. Now, if you just want to eyeball how these two stack up in all categories, Wise crushes it on speed, fees, and transparency. Seriously. But Payoneer is the champ for currency variety and pro-level business tools. For security, dead even. So here's the bottom line. If you want something easy, super transparent, and crazy fast for yourself or your small biz, Wise is your go-to. But if you've got to juggle lots of currencies, or you're deep into marketplaces and freelancer payments, Payoneer's extra features are super strong. You kind of got to pick what matters most to you. If you need help with international transactions, just go with what matches your workflow. Wise or Payoneer. Your money, your call. Seriously, pick the one that fits your needs best.